Hello everyone, Justin here and welcome back to another Bizmates for Beginners video lesson where every week we introduce a new idiom, phrase, or expression that you can use in your daily business conversation. This week everyone, we are going to learn roll the dice. Okay, so to find out what this means, stay tuned. But first, let's do a quick review of last week's class. Alright everyone, so imagine I ask you, did you meet the new sales director? And yes, you did. He is very intelligent, very quick, able to adapt to many situations. So, how do you say that using the expression from last week? You've got 5 seconds. Are you ready? Okay, go. All right, and time is up. If you said yes, he is very sharp, then that's exactly right. Well done, and thank you for remembering last week's class. Okay, everyone, let's move on to roll the dice. Now, this is what I sometimes hear. Okay, it is a very busy season at the office, but something came up in my private life and I want to take some time off, okay? But it's very busy, so I ask my colleague Taro, do you think the boss will approve or say okay to my vacation request? Because it's very busy right now. I don't know. Will he say yes or will he say no? Taro says, I'm not sure. You will have to take a chance on it. It's kind of 50-50. All right. So yes, this is fine. Take a chance. It's not certain. It's not 100%. So it's a gamble, right? So that's right. A better way of saying this is, I'm not sure, you will have to roll the dice on it, okay? So as you can imagine, this comes from kind of a gambling situation, all right? You have a dice, okay? So it has 6 sides, right? So you roll the dice and you don't know what the outcome will be. Is it going to be 1 or 2 or 6 or 4? Is it going to be yes or no? Okay? You're not sure. It's a gamble. So you have to roll the dice on it. All right? Okay, so pronunciation. So please repeat after me. Roll the dice. Okay? These kind of roll actually very nicely together. So it almost sounds like one word. Roll the dice. Roll the dice. All right? So please repeat after me. I'm not sure. You'll have to roll the dice on it. Your turn. All right. Okay, good. Now after my question. So, do you think the boss will approve my vacation request? Okay, I don't know. You'll have to roll the dice on it, okay? So, whenever you're not sure of the outcome, you don't know what's going to happen, you're going to roll the dice, okay? Well, hopefully all of you are lucky in those cases. All right, so please remember that for next time. Okay, our bonus question is another way to say the sales figures are very high. Okay, so we covered this in one of our previous videos. So if you're curious about the answer, please see if you can find it. Okay? All right, everyone. So that is it for us this week. Thank you always for watching, everyone. Have a great week, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye.